Hello my dear friends. In this video we are going to discuss third week theme Wonderful Nature task 3. In our phase 1 week 3 task 3. Read the story The Animals Meeting by Gnananishta Gnavali. Second one, read the article Tigers, not man's, responsible for human wildlife conflict. If we press the blue line, then the story will be open. This is a 25 pages story. That is one of the wonderful story. You enjoyed it a lot. And what animals really facing the problems and how human can help them to overcome that problems. This type of things are discussed very clearly. In this story, all animals gathered and discussed about their problems and how to solve their problems. They will upload that story in one video. In this video, we just discuss what is in our task 3. And we have another one article in task 3. In that article, we discussed about tigers, not man, responsible for human wildlife conflict. In this article, there are two questions raised. Those are, why have incidents of man-animal conflict in a study increased the past few months? In previous days, we can't see animals like elephant, tiger is entered in the village and damaged the houses and the crop. But nowadays we are so many times elephants, tigers and cheetahs are entered into the villages also. Why? Because what is the reason behind it? That is clearly discussed in this article. So once read this article carefully. And another one, what is the reason behind the substantial increase in tiger population? In this article, they discussed about these two questions. Please read that article also. And now the question is, now participate in the discussion forum. Question, human beings are responsible for destroying nature. Discuss. This is our phase 1 week 3 task 3 question. In this question, you read these two story and article, and now you explain your views about how nature is destroyed by human being. You share your opinion and you respond your commentees responses also. You have to respond what they answered for this question. You have to participate in the discussion forum to raise your voice also. You are participating English language enrichment course and you are attending webinars and doing online tasks. So you have to respond in your tasks and your commentees responses also. Then only we have improved our English learning skills. If we read our commentees responses, then we understand how they are reacting on that such task and what we will do for that. My name is Abdul Sheikh. If this video is helpful to you, please don't forget to like. If you are still not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it and share your opinion in comment section.